Well, should I sing with gladness and with glee? For sweet desires have made me theirs indeed, of the rich over-honored sovereign creed that holds my heart and body and sense and feet. And whoever may counsel or may say, in the straight line of loving you I stay, from which I never shall depart. For with a true loyal heart I give myself to you, holy lady, to see the noblest one that my eyes may ever see. Lady, all fair behaviors and all grace are in your gentle body, ready to hand and honor, for words so sovereign and grand. And your deeds are of fitness and of grace, and your words so pleasing and so mild, with gay solace and with manners, gentle style. When shall I see you again? A great longing I have for it then, but though I do not say it might please you, never was anything so fair to you. From your fair, pleasing body I confess, though my eyes are not fitted to your sight, since I have been in your sovereign might, nevermore have I had forgetfulness. And because I speak true and no lies guilt, 1,000 shall wonder at what I spilled. No more shall I unfold, but you know there I hold that I am here in your power and your fee, with great desire to see you and to be. Most sweetly did you contradict me, lady, once when I was all too forward in my suit, so that from your honored and sovereign repute I never after parted my firm will, so ready for all my heart I have heaped up there indeed, so that neither in May nor in April seed shall I have great joy, I say, for it does not befall or pay that at Easter a man should joy receive, if he does not go to see you on that eve.